this is Janae Rabbit of Ask Janae Today, where all your event-related questions get answered. So today we're answering a question that is something really interesting. So somebody came up to me and asked me, Janae, I really want a coordinated wedding, but I really don't have budget. But I do have friends and family who are volunteering to help me out. So please, please, please help me in organizing them all. What do they need to do as a team? Okay, so I know this is going against what I initially answered at the very start of this month, but since you really need help, okay, I'm gonna help you. Here's 5 things that you need to assign to your team. Number 1, you need somebody who will be your bridal assistant or bride's manager. This bridal assistant will be with you from the beginning up to the very end, from the time that you're preparing. So somebody who will have tissue with her or have some hairpins or whatever emergency kit that you will need during your wedding. So that's the bride's assistant or bride's tag-along or bride's manager, however else you want to call it. Second, you need somebody who will be your reception coordinator. So the reception coordinator will be the one taking care of the setup. So which means that she needs to monitor the arrival of your suppliers, your caterers, your stylists, your florists, etc., etc. Even the photo booth, even the sound system. So this reception coordinator needs to know what you agreed on with all of your suppliers, so she could make sure that all of this will be followed. Okay, and then third, you need somebody who will be your church coordinator. So the church coordinator will be somebody who will help out, make sure that everybody's there. There is a good lineup, okay? It's not disorganized. And then of course, somebody who coordinates with musicians, with your priest, and even with the florist at the church. And the other item in your team of 5 would be your registration person. So the registration person will be the one to welcome the guests. So she needs to have a good guest list, and then of course whatever seating arrangement there is, she needs to have that. Okay, and then 5th item or 5th person in your list would be somebody who would be your runner, like your overall runner. Like if she needs to go here or he needs to go here and bring stuff, you know, back and forth from church to reception, from hotel to reception, etc. So those are the 5 members of your team that you need for your DIY coordination. Okay, but at the end of the day, you do need somebody who will merge everything together, you know, like the maestro. So I guess I go back to my number 1 tip, wherein yes, please do hire a planner or a coordinator. So if you are really on a tight budget, you can have your volunteers and just have one person also on top of all of them to synergize everybody. Okay, so I hope I answered your question. Do you have a question? Go ahead and ask it, because yours just might help somebody today.